3 shops and 2 rented rooms were reduced to ashes in a major fire that occurred at Wangkai Kaithel Ashangbiu under Imphal East District around 8 a.m. today. A jewelry shop, a grocery shop, and a shop selling fuel were destroyed in the fire. A short circuit was believed to be the cause of the blaze. A team of Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB yesterday arrested a man and seized about 12 kgs of opium from his possession at Daejiang village of Churachandpur district. The arrested has been identified as David Onkolam Haukip, aged 37 years, son of Chunghao Haukip. NAB said it has registered a case in connection with the incident. India has surpassed Brazil's coronavirus tally and is now the second worst affected nation in the world after the United States, with over 42 lakh COVID-19 cases. India saw the second consecutive spike of over 90,000 cases yesterday, which took the tally to 42,04,613. Manipur registered 121 fresh COVID-19 cases, including 18 personnel of Central Armed Police Force (CAPF). The state's coronavirus case tally has crossed the 7,000 mark. The state COVID-19 Command Control Room said Manipur's COVID-19 count has jumped to 7,022. The cumulative number of deaths in the state rose to 38. The number of active cases stands at 1,820, while 5,164 have been discharged after recovery. The recovery rate in the state has increased to 73.54%. In a major breakthrough, Churachandpur police has cracked a Rs 7 lakh theft case. On September 3, electronic items worth Rs 7 lakh were stolen from a mobile and computer shop located at Nehru Marg Junction in Churachandpur district. The police have also arrested 2 persons in connection with the case. A team of Custom Preventive Force Moray seized a truck loaded with 500 foreign-made water pumps along Indo-Myanmar border last night, a report said today. It may be mentioned that the Manipur government has sealed border with Myanmar in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. Manipuri civil society groups in Assam continued protests at Farlartal Bazaar of Lakhipur constituency to fulfill the demand for granting Manipuri language as an associate language of Assam. Women Action for Village Protection, Manipuri Youth Front of Assam, All Assam Manipuri Muslim Students Union, Assam Manipuri Muslim Youth Front, Assam Manipuri Mera Paibi Apunba Loop, All Assam Manipuri Muslim Development Organizations Assam, Nongin NGO and Yaifa Lechik Club took part in the demonstration. Block Program Management Unit, Moray organized a one-day training program on COVID-19 for the volunteers of quarantine centers at Primary Health Center, Moray today. DNO COVID-19 Technopal District, Dr. Cecil Ahong Sabam, Medical In Charge, Dr. Shanti Kumar, Medical Officer, Dr. Adhikariya Mayum, Arun Kumar Sharma, and volunteers of Red Cross Society, Technopal District, and other organizations attended the training program. The All Arunachal Pradesh Students Union AAPSU has termed the incident of 5 civilians being allegedly taken captive by China's People's Liberation Army PLA as unfortunate and called upon the central and state government to ensure their early and safe release. As per media reports, the apex students body of the state, which convened an emergency meeting yesterday to discuss the incident, said that the recent abduction incident is not an isolated case, as time and again the PLA have been indulging in similar antics. Metro train services resumed in a graded manner across the country today, except in Maharashtra after being closed for over 5 months due to the novel coronavirus pandemic. A media report said that in accordance with the centre's guidelines, the metro train services resumed in Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, Noida, Lucknow, and Noida today, with safety measures in place to check the spread of COVID-19. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar will set the stage for the Bihar polls today with a virtual rally to connect with lakhs of people as the NDA looks to repeat its electoral success, battling the anti-incumbency wave and criticism over the handling of floods as well as political unrest in the state after the death of Bollywood star Sushant Singh Rajput, who hailed from the state.